moment I'm trying to make my own yarn, and I bought fiber. This actually I received as a gift from the company Kromski, arrived with my spinning wheel, so I'll try to do. This is going for wash, but it's now in relax. I kept like 2 days, so it's not twisting much, so that's gonna go for wash. So before I made this yarn, I mixed it with the white and like a cappuccino color. This is so nice and soft, and this is true play. And so that is my ribbing for my jumper. So this is how it's coming, and it's really nice and woolly. I really like it. So this one side I did, this is my back, and this color is mixed up this color, which I think they call kind of autumn colors. So I mix it up with white. So this like this, you can see here. But that would be my back, that would be my front. And I decided to do all different colors on my this jumper, because this is my first time which I do my spinning and my yarn. So I don't care if it will be here this color and this, then this color with the white, then will be this one. And I will be mixing up on my wheel another with some bits with the white, so and cappuccino, so that would be okay. And yeah, that will be for my future. I will remember this is my first jumper made with my first spinning yarn. So I want to show you how I do cason on with the 2 needle flat, this needles obviously. So I'm keeping always, I'm putting 2, and then I do this way. So it's 10 left. So I'm gonna do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that way, if you're using 2 needles, then the bottom is nice and stretchy and looks nice and even. It's not tight. Some people using 1 needle. I do 1 needle when I've got this magic loop. So, but when it's flat, I always using 2. And now I will show you how I done it this ribbing. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna break here. Oh, it's quite strong, this, and then I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna attach them. Sometimes what I do, the knot, I do the knot like this, then you turn on your finger, then you're taking this bit and you're putting at the back and pulling through the front loop, then you do knot, and then you're going on the other side. This needs to go on the top, going this, and then you're putting from the front to the back, so it's opposite way. And now you're putting them together like this, and then, and this is how you do. Pull it, and now we can cut it. Then I'm cutting here and here, and a small knot. So now, as always, the first one I do not need. And then I do left, pearl, right, pearl, pearl, right, pearl, pearl, here we go. And then you're gonna get this. So you're repeating all the time the same, and you do 2 knit and 2 pearls. So the pearls always going like that, and then you repeating all the time the same. And this is how it's coming. So have a fun, and this is how you can start your project. Bye.